Hello, this is The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein's digital book creation. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to discuss the message of the Giving Tree with their group, complete a graphic organizer, and then compose a paragraph about the main characters and the main idea, create their personal slides to add to the class digital book, and understand the importance of creating a digital presentation. For our small group and independent work, each student will be given a copy of the book and will be given 25 minutes to complete their reading. Since it could be considered a short read, and considering there's not a lot of reading on each page, some students might finish a little earlier, and that's okay. Once they finish, they'll be completing a graphic organizer and brainstorming their ideas. But that should take about 10 to 15 minutes for each group. And when they finish their brainstorming graphic organizer, students will independently work on their writing response and journal about the messages and the characters they found in the story. This is the graphic organizer that they will be completing. The title of the book, the topics will be their the message behind it, and the purpose of that message. And they will, of course, create a topic sentence, fill out this to help them with their writing of their paragraph, and complete a concluding sentence. And this is an example of the finished product. This is from a student A's reflection. Happy working.